sliding down poles, sirens in the air, saving the day with courage to spare. Skye flies high with her pink helicopter over the mountains and sea. Like a trooper, let's take to the sky, she shouts with glee. Nothing too high for her, as you can see. Rocky is clever, green is his style, fixing and building with a confident smile. No pups too small to lend a hand, together they make the perfect band. Rubble digs deep with his yellow bulldozer, fixing up trouble, he's never a poser. Construction is fun, he laughs and he digs, even big obstacles get handled in gigs. Zuma splashes in water with his orange gear, surfing and saving with nothing to fear. From lakes to oceans he dives with delight, helping all friends day or night. Everest climbs snowy peaks so tall, with her warm heart she helps one and all. Through ice and snow she slides with grace, a frosty hero in every case. When trouble calls, Ryder leads the way, pups rush to help without delay. No job's too big, no pups too